Hello, welcome to another match video. I'm going to keep this one kind of short. It was 8 stages, so it's quite long. Hi, Ziggy. Good boy, good boy. So anyway, again, it was the Hoover Memorial shoot at World K, and I shot it with my buddies. Always great fun shooting with those guys. I don't always set my ground cam up because sometimes it's just not going to capture a lot of, besides you just standing there shooting and you can't really see the targets. I did get a couple. Kind of a struggle for me on this one. Sig was up sick the night before a couple times, so I didn't get a lot of sleep. But as Tom Castro says, embrace the suck. And I think it's good to shoot under adversity sometimes. Shot open major again with the old Phoenix Trinity Honcho. Again, love the gun. Enjoy shooting it. It's a lot of fun. So I guess that's it. Don't forget to click the link below to enter the free drawing for the gun. With that, enjoy the video. Yeah, I'm just kidding. There's no link, and there's certainly no free gun. So anyway, enjoy the video.
I saw it. I knew it when I shot that one. Okay, if you were finished, I'd like... Bye. If you're finished, unload.
I didn't miss no fucking steel either. What is it? God damn it.
Stand by.
We're finished. I'm so clear.
That was terrible.
You're finished.